Right, Mami and Papa them, we thank all man where they join this live show on a happy feast, on a happy Sunday. God bless all man, and I want to thank all man to join this show. I will just go straight to the point today, as I used to explain, and all this why, and I know they don't restrict this page. A lot of people that need receive notification, and some people not be able for share. Now just some very few people they be able for share, even for invite person me even can like this page. It used to be difficult, so because Facebook don't restrict me very seriously on this page. Now I ask anybody watch me at this time, make sure make it share at least. If you feel succeed for share, just share so that your friends will see and may join the page, because now notification then they go except for very few people. Thank you so much. Well, I'll just go very straight to the point, because a lot of things that don't happen. Please, more no sorry to watch so that we understand exactly. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, as you be aware, I will always come here for content on the truth. And it be very simple, but at the same time very pathetic for the thing the way some people that they do for try to destroy this revolution. Now, by the way, I will continuously talk and I will explain very clearly the importance for information for this particular revolution. I talk about the importance for information for this revolution, because the thing will be core for the revolution and information. Now, whether we see for many attempts, some people they don't try for make me as Eric Tato or as National Telegraph, maybe we lost that core value and that very core principle and the strongest element for the Ambazonian revolution when that information. Now, once you not get that, I want this thing to be very serious, because it come right all the way from the United States Embassy for Yaoundé, where we know say US they very pivotal for things where they happen for our country. Okay, give and take, a lot go on for United States already, especially with George Floyd, a protest all over. But that one, they still go for reflect one thing, say America remain the top democratic country for the world. Imagine the protest across America, they never kill one person, only one person, they will choke you knife where you go die later on. One person no die, police no kill no one man, they don't fight, they don't broke police motor protest, they don't kill no man. So we got to be careful anything that concerns this country. And now why I will talk repeatedly, and today I will bring the fake profile where it start this news. That fake profile where every time when some person send me something on that fake profile, it talk say anything come up for the profile is fake. Anything. And today I want to tell Ambazonian people, say we don't get enough from this thing where people there they put their face out there, they struggle, make the revolution they on track. With the struggle, make we put this thing back on track. With the struggle for make sure to gain international credibility. But some people they still continuously share things from fake profiles. I don't understand how some man you just come and get 5 followers or even get 5,000 followers, you don't know your name, you don't ever see your face. He writes some fake lie, you start sharing them, and you can't end up the harm revolution. I don't understand. I don't understand what you want them as Ambazonian people. Because it don't look normal. Say the Central La Republic, you do them, La Republic, you get that fake profile. But now they the fake profile, they promote them. I will bring the profile and I will see who way the fake profile they talk for and who they talk against. We get for being very careful, because two don't happen today for US Embassy. Be capable for destroy this revolution. It be capable for destroy this revolution. Now, why that way? Since yesterday, they start sharing me that person right on Facebook. I just tell all man say fake. Fake. That's what I tell the person. Because Paul Biya, they use the Romo for a fake death, for destroy this revolution, for destroy the credibility. Now, why they know I succeed for get me? They don't get all man, but they don't get me. I still repeat them. Say, make we stop for the spread fake news, especially when it concern very contentious issues. Where it concern things the way a bit so much on the limelight. Number one, every time I come up and say, President for Cameroon, not that La Republic President die. Where to concern on with La Republic President, if he die or not. When we fight in a war for the Libre Ambazonia, on people they go to bring, like the other day, Food Johnson, the other person, they go for TV, because they look a whole show for talk about that, Paul Biya don't die, his source, they tell, they say Paul Biya don't die, and so on and so forth. Might just delete Enoch John, might just block you. I'll keep quiet for my own page. Now you will go out. Now, as I talk, me be very clear. There is no joke, and I'll be ready for any of such of those fake profiles going forward. When I don't see what the US Embassy don't tweet them just now, it be so devastating and destructive if some major voices for the revolution they be carried, especially for the business or news pages. we don't get enough. And I'm not understand which side would go. It be so heartbreaking. And I talk to one from my heart. Yes, Ambazonians, I don't know what you want them. People, the way they tell the truth, no, someone won't just be crazy. It's not normal. Say they don't keep 15 times and they see they take it in the joke. Why on a say, listen, my turn as on simple thing, right? The fake profile will do this thing, na Jennifer Dike. Na man picking, where is na Sako Solgate, but where the bare woman name. Go for a page, you go sit in the right now. These are the kind of people where they use them for destroy this revolution. Why some mango should don't tweet or write for a Facebook page, fake, say U.S. ambassador request audience for Cameroon government and then Cameroon presidency deny. Then we not take on the share them all over. Why the person want them? Because you know say, when I share that post, people will go find me. Say, oh, now which this thing, they'll go to find the so-called Jennifer and so on and so forth. And when they find now, a conspiracy they talk against the true patriots for the revolution, we now go start to read them because it should say one draw attention for the page. Now why that way he go make sure say he tweet the most fake news for the world ever, what I ever see on my life. Yes, that's the fakest. And these are the things I don't want to seriously. From time immemorial. Yes. Someone like watch when I feel all past me, when I feel get sense past me, when I feel get money past me, when I feel get anything past me, this I turn on our wisdom. If we continue for the way, it will be tough for we to get anything close to it to wonder. Yes, mommy and papa them, when I go what's up? Any fake audio, una share them. Any fake news, una share them. Today, I want to tell now, today, if una not read anything from me, una not believe them for this social media. Now me every time I talk, I take that responsibility. Yes, if I not write something, me no ambassador not believe I'm not fake. Una get for the follow in any country, any site, una get for the look, say una. I need first no man, but that is the truth. We don't get enough for the two they use them for discredit and destroy our revolution. Because imagine, oh, they go share that thing, therefore on our pages that una own have ambassador, una share fake news. Now, what they intend to achieve? Now, say, so that when we talk a real news, say, they don't kill what put them for the place. Now, so be they, Cameroon come on, they say, oh, you got put them. They be lie, even you, U.S. ambassador, they lie for your name. Say, don't request this thing, where you don't ever request them. Now, in that, you feel believe this any they talk, ambassador say, but not true, Cameroon government get, or it makes sense of two they talk. Now, why that way? Most of them, 99% of the social media, they just copying and fake news. They copying and WhatsApp. They don't get no time for verification, zero time, and that is it. That is it. We get for being absolutely very careful. Absolutely. We don't get enough from Una. All these fake profiles. All Una. I don't tell you last time they're supposed to write affair. You don't need everybody for go ahead. We need 10%. We get every title. We get the strongest media platform, most credible. I don't talk and severally. Say if we won't win this war, the approach therefore be radical towards our own fellow people they would call our brothers because they try to destroy this revolution. I don't even understand the rationale, the reason why somebody just shut up a room. Man pick the bare woman name. It just take a lot to write say they don't ambassador for America. They don't request audience. Poor deny. That is so horrible, terrible. Because why is your interest? Now bars them as the claims in the heritage of the bars. Now bars them for the right that can't no for the Sako fraction. No buna. That's why I've told you people authoritatively. Some of them don't even know what I do, but most of them are sellouts. I will not take it. I will not take it. Yes, we get the propensity for liberate Amazonia. And we know do now this fakeism. It will not happen. I'm not a believer in fake news. Now, why that way national telegraph way me every time I be CEO, I make sure say before I publish anything, it be 1 billion percent authentic. Go for our history. Look, anything I don't write and put my name under. Bring me one thing where I don't ever write and put my name under. We go 10 out. Even at the H, I'll just go simple. Might even go for the simplest thing. When our papa be die here, Pa Molan Jo Litumbe, all man write 101 for a age. Because they don't go pick your thing from fake things, not even verify from their family. All man, all when I read on social media, they write 101. Every tattoo alone, I one I write on my headline, say die for 93. I write the day of the born, I quote the daughter, Nani Litumbe. Yes, that is journalism. And he come in or come back, I won't make a man and say, we don't get enough of this fake news. But yet, suppose they see the share now 101. When to be an interest of writing, some man died for 101, where he died now for 93. And his family, if he tell you, say die for 93. Every for our own papa, every for our own person, when I still write fake news about his name, about his age. And I explain today, now in this, if family don't put, go for it, now family don't put memorial for Panjo, ma go for the memorial very quickly. We'll see my number quickly. Now Panjo this, now memorial this, now family don't put them. Where if you go for a website for the, now part that right. If you play music there. Now in that. So when I see we as people them, would it do all the things, so it baffle me. It baffle me. I always tell one thing, say I feel standing one when I believe something, and all man will come back for it. All man will don't write wrong date for power. When they argue, so when they argue, when they argue, say, oh, na lie, na 101. Now, if family don't move, the same issue I write them, the same date, 1927 to 2020. Now how many years that? Suppose they were in 1919. You add part die, and add part 8 years. That's so fake. That's so fake. Now, every day, age of the born in this or play the born on February 14, 1927 for Boya. Go read the article for National Telegraph. I'll even pull out the article. Because I know we don't get enough, right? We don't get enough from these people then. Yes. We don't see now in this. When National Telegraph be right the National Telegraph is. Now the age that you can very well see now in this. February. Now in that. February 4th, 1927. So we're not there for a war of independence. We get for the right or harness information will be authentic. And they will get people that they try to destroy them. Now, U.S. Embassy is on right. It don't right, talk say. People, they go start circulating news, say U.S. Embassy. Don't talk say. He requests this thing for Paul Biya, they deny visit. Because they try to force the thing, say that old man don't die. That man die not concerned with. But he never ever die. Someone has now even die before him. Not what business if he die. When I just disturb war for the talk thing not be relevant. And now they promote and Chris Arnold and the rest. Now U.S. Embassy this Yaoundé. Now in that. The recent news circulated on social media about an alleged request by the ambassador for a meeting with President Paul Biya are false. There was no such request, and therefore no request was turned down. I mean, what is the problem with we? We wrote about a problem. We. What is the issue? What's the problem? So this Jennifer person, it write all kind of like news. Yeah, so oh, don't kill 200 soldiers on the BLM. Oh, don't do this. Oh, it like 1,000,000,000% fake. Absolutely. Now the worst fake profile that was ever seen in my life. It is lie. Every time fake. And when I take a share from today, my make a moon know. Any man will share me anything from this particular fake profile, I block you. Delete you. Go for the pitch. I don't make me won't be notorious now. Go check them. Look where they support them. Saku. This is what they do. They try to reduce. Me say the guy that they fight all way for destroy the face of the revolution. Every way. Don't try all way. Tarnish every time to no work. Do you know? I don't want to for fake news for some. How you don't create news? Say ambassador for America. Who keep up the this is on this thing. It don't look normal. It don't look normal what you try to do. It don't look normal. If we want to win, we have to forgo false fake news. That's why I don't tell plenty of people that. I don't tell a lot of people. All we will get for no. This thing done too much. Now, fake news will destroy this revolution. I don't talk today, say, if you not read something from me, not believe them. Yes, now me I don't talk. Every say now who, I mean, if I talk me, I mean say, all for the most popular social media bloggers when I read for them, all them write say paradigm for 101 years now. They paradigm for 93. Now only one man, go for the whole social media, between all man say now 101. All man, there was nobody who get the right age. Only one person, National Telegraph. I can beat my chest because I take my time to investigate. Part of it die, right? People they call themselves to be big news organs, big this and so on. Power died, they don't even find by contact for call power. They don't find out. For even call power family rather. Nobody did. And they come to destroy our revolution. Writing fake news. If you feel like wrong age about your own papa for revolution, wait that. About your own papa. Go look them. Now they'll come now, they bury power, one write history. Go first by age, me go on one man see. On some person the argument on group say, oh, that way they be bumper, so public registry not be D, so they don't know the exact. I say, okay, so how you do know 101? Show me a place where if you code me a place where the 101. True, yeah, probably they reduce that age. But you go take that age so my issue a document, the authentic one, or if you want to declare so my age, say you claim say the person don't reduce the age. You don't go bring me a certificate for hospital that they born in. Me say don't do investigation, go dig the original age from the hospital they born in. But when I just come up from space, when I did control 93 power try. That was a lot. That's a lot of age. A lot. For 93. Probably still look strong, very strong. Very strong. So that thing when I say they say ambassador of America, embassy, US ambassador to Cameroon, he requests audience will be a fake news. 1 billion % fake. Now wait till the US suppress every writer for me for money time. And yesterday, let me say, he sent me that thing. I asked him only one question. This is what I asked. He showed me that the fake news, this decay. I asked him, where is the statement that the news just on me? Now I asked him and say, where is the statement from the US ambassador where they should say, Biya don't go? Because the ambassador for Yaoundé, nothing ever request for go see Biya. And now, no make another Biya go welcome that man. That's what they start. Because I don't bring fake news about the man die. We're not concerned when I only want to continue for keep debate, unnecessary debate and polemics for social media. It don't make no sense. So if Pan Joffrey die for 101 as soon as someone have the claim, why on I say Biya for die for 87? Between Biya and Pan John, I will get more money if you go live, change his blood. That kind of thing I get for the ring for the head. Pan John to me Biya a big man. Because look 93, 87, a big man by 6 years. So if we now be even the fake pie age, go put pie age for 101. Me say pa be pass Biya for more than 14 years. So why pa go there 101 there and me Biya way na president for your own country, we get all money for take care for yourself. Look the man for Zambia, former president for Zambia. We celebrate I mean at 90th birthday or something just recently. We got to stop all this fake news. All this fake news. Yes, this GK and Sako sorry number one. I don't know what people they derive for the do. Now when I see the guy say, oh, we have raised 80,000. They don't create figures. Those are people who don't know nothing. They don't get zero contact for gram. They don't go for some. They create news, start spread them. Oh, this has happened here. We're not fake. So people can write for me say, La République cry, say don't kill me for the BLM on the way of just about 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I say which the BLM? The one for space. The BLM where people they instead men the they don't run. Or they run go town, run this side. They don't run, now they go back for the BLM because place don't be back to normal for the BLM. That be talk for say, I can't report for say, they did lock shop the front door. So they say, oh, na lie. I come the next day say, they don't lock shop the front door. They say, oh, na lie. When I don't see that, I put a push picture with the seal. I don't need picture. Me, I be picture. When I talk something, as Eric Tato, that is the level I did. If I talk something, even CNN talk the contrary, believe me, forget CNN. Now I tell you, yes, inside America, what they. If I tell you something, any man can talk different thing, tells in a lie. Now so Eric Tato talk. That's the truth. Yes. So a person who don't get the gift, he get the credibility. If I talk something, I tell that today. If I report say things will happen for this place, for Baltimore, for White House, for this side, CNN got to say, it happened on this side. Forget CNN, believe me. Now I tell now. Nothing. That's the truth. So we don't get a lot of these people the way they only come and destroy revolution. It don't make no sense. Now I come to Okatona. It don't make no sense. If I can't talk something, If you read somewhere something, if you not see on national telegraph, forget them. Although I not report all thing, not all thing report, that's the truth. But the thing they be crucial and burning, if you don't see it for me, forget it. See Cameroon government, that issue happened for Togo. When we report and ask the Cameroon government not make statement, the next day, next 2 days, nobody will come make statement. Yes. We go right down, call people from Togo. I call even the person advisor for opposition leader for Togo. He give me all the information, give me the TV list, give me all. Tell me the date where they cash and everything. Yes, authoritatively. We have the contacts. We not stop for the belief. We not stop for the belief. Fake people. Even ABC where Chris Army they didn't fake. They not report much when are the truth. All the time the fake news. They only depend on, so you pick something on social media, you don't do no verification, you don't go publish it. That's it. If you don't see something from me, forget it's fake. As you see, they say probably don't die, every time to talk say they are alive, take them own. Forget any man. All man to say don't die no. People here don't even get fake, they don't get contact. They not be able to talk because they fear. But I don't think I say 1 million percent say they are alive. Till they were, and any man sharing to you about probably, they say, not disturb me. Concentrate on your own. That's it. Concentrate. I want to give a small example. When I ask when I say why, they say all time from time the cash is equal all time all news what the jam. They all man they can get at the opposite, different. But after 1 month, 2 months, only my only can be right. Why? You don't ask yourself that question. God they say oh pan jolly to me. All man say oh he died at 101. 101. Which 101? So we all will therefore be careful. And I'm for the I know exit the guy. Don't tell them. This show therefore be very brief. Number 2, I want to thank our president, His Excellency Oyotabe Julius, where in administration don't be very, very, very proactive. Ma go for Daphne Vice President Yerima. That be talk say Yerima now one of the most cold-headed people. Some people they say are the joke. He slow for action, but he be meticulous. Now I don't talk so you say the other group they'll copy him. Now this thing the way they talk about immigration situation for Cyprus. Yerima then Sisiku, the government already reacts to it right. You can't publish them. Yes, my reporter of Cyprus already received the report. Now, since which they did the right, since March on this Friday, now in this show for now Friday that for my WhatsApp. Since on Friday we released statement, he sent official statement for national telegram and for people that was some people that was Cyprus. Now in that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm saying immediately news start circulate about the situation of Cyprus. Yerima don't really react. We be there for different meeting. He don't really react. So we will get for no one thing. All we get for no one thing. Just one quick minute. Pull out this chair. So the issue for Cyprus, I want to tell the people for Cyprus say, una issue already be una interim government. There already be, and I want to say interim government led by Sisiku Ayotabe because 2 interim government not there. Now, why I always tell them, say anything, if you want to get independence or the revolution, anything I talk, believe. Now, the only way that you get independence. Yes, that's the truth. The reason why you see where revolution carry level now, because at the time, all the projects that be support them, and then raise the revolution, reach the level. I will still talk until today, till tomorrow. For Cyprus, as some point they ask them, while refugees are there for the, while brothers are there for the Southern Cameroon, where they get a lot of problems. And then Francophones that they use the crisis where they kill our people, they for seek asylum. If they succeed, that one that go long. But now, Sisiku government don't write or go publish in small time. For talk me Cyprus government no say they can say Cypriot government. Me they no say they get for consider. But they come for the English regions most because they get the problem. Now what you can say leadership. Now, when the other people don't see another, they can copy them. They'll start, you see, and they'll go heavy. Everywhere Pan Jolly to me die. The first people they move the document na Yerima. And I talk to them very clearly. Say, if we don't know independence, nothing ever be the way some of una. They look at the kind of people the way when I say they can't fool and say they go do draft, they go do this. I will talk and clear. Me, Eric Tato. Every now when I watch me, when I know, when I say momentum, go for Boya, Nambere, and the other person. They go stand for Bongo Square, they make live video for Boya. Shoot live video film, they show a taxi the pass. For all team where the ones that was spoil the relation for inside Boya. Now inside Limbe. Yet, you go need for see how people they run their mouth. When I run their mouth every day, where the so-called person where they chop $1 million, Sako chop 1 million for a mop. He chop crap, buy him back, chop this. Till today I send document for Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim open him up again. He don't talk to me again. Because he knows I hold the hard document. Yes, I don't send away for the dicks. No, anybody talks say volume, no, they check your device. If you off, restart your device. Every day, when I can't make noise, every day, we go take control. Because we not be continue for see this thing that happen. I'm telling you, I say, well, I leave move my hand for Fako sometime. We not see the difference. That go to say so action will happen. It happened for court for Limbe. Okay, I want to tell Nanamu no. Again, in the days ahead, today, Makam, tomorrow and Monday, something will happen for Fako between Monday, and he call the area for Fako, for Monday, from 1st of June, today before my birthday day for June 14. Before my birthday won't reach for 14 June, that period, something I will do something for Fako. Listen to the show very well. Where it happened, I need to take credit. They will go online, go to say, oh, I don't do this, I don't do this. But I don't just tell you to happen between now. I not be Mexican man. I need to be action man. I said between 1st of June when I tomorrow to the 14th. My birthday is on the 14th. My birthday, I go to Florida for my birthday. I will live here for Maryland on the 12th, or the Florida on my birthday. Because I get some thing for doing around Florida. But from Florida, I will coordinate things there. Yes. Between the 1st, which is tomorrow Monday. So anybody for Fako, watch out. Tiko, Mutengene, Moluwe, somewhere around Fako, a corner, all that side them. Something will happen. I don't really mobilize. Now my own birthday give that. I need back no man. I must strike some place. Now me Eric Tato I talk. Man na Eric Tato. Just for show na mona I say I need ask no man money for do am. I know I thought somebody can draft. Go do fake draft. No, I need to do that one. I did see my turn Argentino. The easiest things they do for keep revolution back. Yes. All we know ambassador and for no. Say some people that they use all these things online, they fool now, they don't do the same with the fake news and this year. I will continue to tell you. It be impossible for we for see the level of provocation when Nambere do and for boy. I go sit down for the do this thing for street. Make noise, me put the come out. Today, Cameroon government don't be too useless. Now, they can announce amnesty. Say they will give people the amnesty. Me, all man come out of bush. Can you imagine the kind of government? They take my own way left for me right. If they ask Namere say right amnesty, for that go feel right. So, all when they see what they happen, Boya, Fako, completely. But now can they make noise? Every day, they make noise every day. They can say, oh, this one, this. I don't live. And once I talk about the Sakuma, and he not get no use. He value there for zero. Because if he say he don't take money chop and put some of the surrogate. Now they share fake news about US embassy for bringing chaos, more the struggle for defending the honor for the war ourselves about. Ambazonians, fellow Ambazonians, all will not get for no one thing. I stand with Una all the way. I don't talk with a lot of fighters on the ground, many of them, and we work hard for mobilize or put the unity among the people there for Ground Zero. So all we get for no. Just as some person the right affair, they come make fake pledges. Now go kutunja that. Don't seal all people that shot. When I see some people from top, they work for food for God Bamenda. What if they meet on military for God? Yet every day this gang, I will call them revolutionary armed robbers. They dey online for the fool people forget. Relevance not there again. Now action get relevance. Now man that. Once, as I finish the show, when I move this video, put up for YouTube, I know it's more time to go delete this page, I know very well. So me all the video them, me they go for YouTube immediately. So the game don't change. As I talk, I almost have finished the negotiation for buying a van. The van for use and for protest. When I see protest in America, How only protest for America don't change the game. They never ever arrest policemen as swiftly as they do and so. So people say, oh, yeah, the policeman keep black man, he don't reduce America. Even they say America not the country you should think about. On the contrary, the death of George Floyd is sent a different message across the world and across the Republic. Say America and a country where they need the joke. Even me, policeman for Prince George's County threatened me the other day where he arrest some person. And I talk live, I show picture. He threatened me every tattoo. Say, man leave and interfere with this thing. I will show you the picture. Man pull out the picture quickly. I will show you the picture very quickly. Just give me a minute or two. So I'll be there for Prince George's for the shopping center for Prince George's Day. So policeman arrest some guy. I do my job as a journalist, a certified journalist in this country, registered. He tell me say, go, I interfere with this thing. I snap the picture, I don't do nothing. Now in this, now me I snap, I know I say no place, now in that so. I snap it. Anytime one will just complain against it, I'll go, I get a face or team, now a motor number, now in that. I'll take and go for, now in that so. No man will threaten me for the country. And the policeman that Prince George's County, I snap all team, he threaten me. You can see, from a picture, he be violent against me while they take this thing. For PG Murray. I tell you, say, he say man not snap the picture. I tell you, say, I did snap because I be journalist, I'm right. You not fit stop me for the America. For snap my picture for public space. No policeman, I mean Trump not fit stop him. Yes, me that one be known. So America now an epitome of justice and democracy. So all we will get to know, some people they come in and say, oh, the fact say they don't protest for how many days, destroy them, policeman, the only struggle. You hear say police people don't the kneel. They don't kill one man for protest where only the thing they destroy for America, it passed the thing they don't destroy for Cameroon for 4 years. That fact alone, it tells now one thing, say, we will not forget to stop. Now we're right. We have to fight till the end. Now may I tell you now, we have to stand tough against the Republic. As me I did so, I know say I lost all things for Cameroon and for Ambazonia. Nothing, not there for the people who concern every tattoo. Nothing. And I don't regret, I need the fear, I don't mind. So long as I stay alive, I will fight this fight to the end. Yes. They don't try all way to sabotage me, get me all way, they don't fit. If you fix out the joke, any man will knows how the joke done. If they give you contract, say, can't kill every tattoo, take the money, come. If you kill me, call me bastard. Kill me, piece on top of my corpse. You not fit. Yes, you not fit. No way, no day. Eli give me a body cup. You give me a hand, a gun, anything. No, you not fit. Man, make it very clear. This war, this fight not fit end. We must get back Ambazonia, and only we 10% we get back Ambazonia. Not be politicians then. Not be politicians for revolution will get back Ambazonia. Now you and me, think about the point on that. I don't need your love. We don't need you for love we, for support we. Okay? Now Yerima that. Yerima. He don't come go do a Yansisiku. From jail, they don't coordinate right against the terror for Cyprus. But poor there, the only thing that would make fake things that will impress. Those are the little things that matter. Now, Mama and Bazonia that, where the UK, every time fly, he go for Nigeria. For go help refugee them. Under security ticket. So anyway, now he do all by himself. Where they seek credit for the leadership for jail. Salas attack for the day. Now that is struggle for do Scarf TV for activism, forget an independent platform. These are the kind of poor one. These are the kind of poor one. No way, no the way will fit ever succumb to this kind of insensitivity from people that call themselves leaders and so on and so forth. Like I don't talk for Don Pasio show. I take the command for do it to be good for the Ambazonian people. Like I be taught, I respect the leadership in jail 100%. But trust me, say we, I thought we, we, the 10%, will not call anybody for say, oh, we do how this thing. We will do our own, we, the 10%, and we will liberate Ambazonia. Mommy and Papa them. Some person will tell you, say, Eric Tato, like they ever talk, say, they'll say, Eric Tato, he work with La Republic, and they want me to believe. Now, the very Eric Tato, so La Republic, go give some person money, make and write this story, Abayi, like this story write them. What's the story? They put probably a picture there. This one, for national treasure, all man read them the whole well. Rights group condemns Cameroon military for killing 4 unarmed civilians in Anglophone region. Where Bala Right and Bala NGO, one of the most recognized when it comes to Anglophone crisis. Then now we will the only media organ we carry them professionally. Where even some person be read them, no say something don't happen. So I will read, I will write all this story. Come right for the end, come to say Cameroon government don't kill 14,000 people, don't born. How many? If you know how much. If Cameroon government began for the pay Semi Eric Tato right against Ambazonia, you know how much they for the pay me? Like if I don't destroy this thing, if I don't destroy it to 10 write-ups, it would have been finished. But because I condemn thief people for revolution and put the one get army by force, you go get scallowags the day for Facebook, you can say Eric Tato na this or na that. Now on our own punishment that, una must promote my name for our pages, but una not ever see my name for my page. But all when I did as they thief and when they want military dominance, I will hold them to tax. It not go happen. Yes, now we will get van who will protest against Bia. We will get newspaper, radio station yesterday, all things on the fine with some people they here will detest them. We will start get programs in there and so on and so forth. We get for being mammy, they will get for being very, very careful. All the work now for confusion. All now they for no. Now we be the 10% and we will win this war with 10%. The other people they think about that belly. Your call activists say come. Now so we want to do this thing for that. Now so we want to do this thing for here. As soon as he see and say they tell you know what they touch money. You want me, you and even Adina for media for talk media people they control the finance. Then even people they control the one. He run. He go talk on a different thing because you know say you know if he penetrate you for thief. All we must know one thing. The last thing will happen with the revolution. The last. I will take money. Now when we reach Boya from the Republic, we will be our dues for which they owe our people. I will take that. I will take it. So any man, when I'm Ambazonia is listening now, belong to the 10%. Belong to the 10%. One of our brothers, they just write, he send me this thing, the monetary, the test, that, this thing. I go pull out the screenshot. Quickly. Now in this, he contribute. Now in that, so he pay me the test, now test, $30 for that. He write me this morning. I confirm the number, he put more money. So I'm for California, they call me late night, ready on 4. I don't tire small. One of my brothers and my friend for, I think at Texas, really. We been my classmate, he small for school, his husband. He sent $300. He said for real day for 1 month. I even take him same reason for Adam buy t-shirt for military. I don't tell you one thing, sir. This revolution, it already changed. Yes. Because if we don't take the action as 10% for the Ambazonia, I don't care about you. It is a hate irritator because I cost Sako thief. I will still remind you 1 million times. So no matter which way you think about Sako, I think one thing, and the one thing where you must can't agree. Even after how many years, you must can't agree. Every time I die, Sako na a notorious thief. Not because of the past. I don't care about it about the past. For inside this revolution, Sako na the highest mafia man who don't ever exist. Now why I don't ever get my respect? Because I give my trust, my confidence. He crushed them by stealing the money meant for the people's revolution. Now why don't I only draft fake? We not do this and so on. I'll tell every time. Yes, we'll change the game. When I see the protest they go on, that's how we protest. We'll take Van Block Road, police will can't arrest me. They will hear we, and Biago no say the most dangerous activities we ever dreamed for a life if we don't kill and seize of Cameroon and Eric Tato. It will change. Me, I fit go block Trump in motor for White House, me not come on. I fit do am. Yes. I fit do am. I fit block Trump, block convoy for Congress people there. Block them. But they take me, go and then they can't interview me and say, why block? I don't say because they kill upon people, they need to do nothing. I will do it in this country. I will not see him. He has to change. Some person get for sacrifice. We don't do them for the past. Which activists will go Congress? Reach Eric Tato? No one. None of them will even go. We'll reactivate it as soon as Corona is over. We'll take our country back. Yes. We'll take our country back. The 10% get for be activated. Go for that. Call in. Register. Register your family. Now the only platform that when me I trust them. DAC. That's all. And with my credibility, I looked in them before I endorse her. I endorse DAC with my heart, with my life. Now the only platform that way I get fit for the platform. Now why I see for the way that they claim to the raise $2 billion, $6 billion, $100 million, they still can't fight the small $15,000 or $16,000 ready for DAC. That's not the only way forward now for the revolution. As I be talking that show, all things where if you liberate Amazon, it is on the table for that. Bring the proposal. That go talk from Gumba House, we will decide or not. So not yet anybody can't talk to one this, can't talk to one this. This game has changed. I did buy van from my pocket. Do the newspaper from my pocket for change this game because we get a lot of people the way they be so pathetic the way they support the revolution. We get to our brother and they get wonderful money. They don't know what to do because of the theft. The thief you don't go, you don't pass. But once Corona go finish, when I go see where to go to the America, we go block French embassy where we go for money time. Block French embassy where workers enough to enter. Till the year we. That's what we're going to do. Block Nigeria embassy where no worker enough to enter. Till police can move we. Those are the things we're supposed to be doing. We can do it. We can do it. We need for create news. We need for create news. Peacefully. We are going to do it. Block them. Sleep for day. No Motoni enter. No Motoni come out. Until they can't actually say why. Say because people they contribute when they kill our people. Go for United Nations. Block them. No man not for pass. Ambazonians, we can do this. We can do it. That platform there for the www.dacommunity.com. DAC, www.dacommunity.com. We change this game. We need all man for the National Army. I will draw some marvelous plan where people they go do now, they will adopt their guns. Means you need to give them money for some man for buy some gun for go give some soldier. You need contract person will keep contact. So like that person if you go buy the one gun, he will like okay that gun already. They go supply for some soldier or for some camp. Now so go do. We get all started for make sure we minimize any form of thievery. Ask yourselves. Say, but why the editor today so? Why he talk say no send money? That point there for that they know. What's my cat to say? That na editor they all married for that way don't go for that don't look the person they say the person a mad person. Because people they only come and direct them. With Sister Mirabel and Sister Mirabel they in charge. The whole meeting by this week they will put for cash, they'll put all that information out about mobile money, Western Union, all of those things. You don't ever see every tattoo name for them. And no way, no day. Go for the dark website, you see them. Might just go for the website very quickly. Without action proofs. So while I open the website, you see continue with thank Vice President for the interim government, Daphne Yerima, for the wonderful thing we don't do. He don't react. I want to go see him officially go for National Telegraph website tomorrow time. I like people to be proactive. That is what we call leadership. The other one will see another wrong copy. When I go make on our own statement, you know go pass on our WhatsApp group there. That's the problem with you people. All they not only for WhatsApp. Noise for WhatsApp. So now that they carry 16,320 members. Don't see them. Very soon you only see 20,000, 25,000, 50,000. The game don't change. Real money. 1 minute. So Ben say, I saw my life, say that will last. Yes, I saw my life. Yes, because I know those who are there. It's a community project. Nothing can bring it down. So when I get for no, I recommend all man when you listen to me. The only place where I recommend them from today henceforth, say me you contribute for them at dark. The only place I recommend me, I feel recommend you have to come for defend them na dark. I don't know nothing about any other thing. Nothing about any other thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, we thank you so much when I don't come in on the numbers, close to 900 unannounced, for patient don't restrict them. Excellent job. We know I share this show, share, right, we know which side you right from. We thank all man, and we know so on a day. This game don't change. That will end till the last. Even my brother for Nyanga picking the come there, some person won't do for that. I didn't forget for calling. I'll finish our call. We will try to revise the website to make it easier because of what they get difficulty for contribute. But we will go state by state for raise money for that. And everybody will see it. Ground zero now the priority for the dark project. Any other thing about the nitty-gritties of what the priority, what is the content of the priority, that will discuss inside dark. Thank you so much. God bless you. And we'll play our president music. His Excellency Sikwayo Tabe Julius. I respect the leadership 100%. But normally I say I go buy everything where our president talk. Now democracy that very good. So we thank Vice President Daphne Yerima for the wonderful project for Cyprus. We will publish them very soon. And he answer a question about any other money group donation not concern me. I only recommend which I know say be the best. And for now, the only place I actually put your money in a dark. Now the only place where you see your money be accountable for www.darkcommunity.com. Tomorrow we'll bring out the cash app for raise money. We don't want to talk about fundraising today. But we're going to do every time we come for one live show, we're going to raise $1,000 on that. 10 live shows, we don't raise 10,000. Just like that, we'll go very far. So I thank all now. Say the game there for change. Think they go look, they say they did down because of finances, no problem. That's all revolution day. But we'll reactivate them. Thank you so much. We will not go take calls for today because no one make them too long. Thank you so much. So I say why I not play anthem? Because anthem get to be played for very unique and issues that they be just very particular. Not be saying no, all live show, one can do live show, go play anthem. Anthem not be some normal music. Now too it deserve a lot of respect. So depending on whatsoever, if you always play the anthem depending on your mood and all of those things. Anthem now a unique identifier for a person. And so in order for just being just on change, just playing anyhow. We play them and that's just a fact. By the way, we thank all my don't watch this show and we'll play. Okay. Person ask questions, say who decide. The only thing if you really do well and say just go register your $20, then enter for the start get what you go on. So we'll play the music for our president music. Thank you so much. Julius Ayotabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. I just do now so my brother this I put them now. My brother this don't just send he don't buy walking talking. And this just now so they don't leave now this he leave message. And that right in there. And that's so you just come now look at the time just now You see the time we come in. It come 10:38 and that just now. Thank you so much, bro. I don't see him. I'm walking talking in that. We don't buy him. Now, so my other different boy, not the other man, with other one, so my other friend we don't buy. So you see a different walking talking this. You see you don't buy new one then. So you don't buy 4, you don't buy the other one then now. Then the other person this way, if you don't buy two so other one then. If they ask me, Markham, let's see. Okay. Quickly. Yes. Now the other person, now the other one in this just for sure now because now 2 different sets. The other person on that we don't buy them, so get walking talking them already. Put already buy close to 10 walking talking. So we'll be very happy, and that will help the fighters a lot. Okay, Mark, some person asked how is Mark. Mark is okay. When I know say Mark, they see morning, Papa. He's going to be okay. And our hearts go out there with Mark. Thank you so much, ma'am, for asking. He's fine, yes. All right, thank you all so much. Some people actually a flag, Ambazonian flag will be back and so on. No, not necessarily. I'm the flag myself because of what I have in my heart. So most of the people they carry those flags, they never even care about the flag. So that's the point. So no, you don't see American, they born American flag for the protest. So if I take the flag born to me, you say I know the Ambazonian. No, that's not the point. Flag is your heart, is your conviction, is your belief. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.